Hi guys, so today I am doing a unboxing video. My Cinderella got a very good home with a Disney enthusiast just like I am. I am excited that she got it, but she also has a channel on Instagram. Her name is Lindsay. She is at the Disneyland Daydream and she makes Disney inspired clothing. And I actually met her at Disneyland in California Adventure, and we exchanged cards for art and her form of art, which is clothing. And her son were there. They were dressed alike, and it was just the cutest thing. So her and I have become friends, and I showed her Cinderella, and she wanted her. She really liked it, and it's going to be in her sewing room with the rest of her Disneyland treasures, I want to say. But she made me something and I needed to share it with you because I know it's going to be amazing. She knows I love Snow White, and so let's see what she made me. Bring it down. Alright, I'm so excited. Let's see. Disneyland Daydream. I will put her information in the, oh my gosh, I'm in love with it already. I'll put her information for Instagram in the description box. Please, if you want Disneyland inspired clothing, please check her out. She's really amazing. And here's her tag. Isn't it beautiful? Alright. She made me a vest. I already knew what she made me, but look at that. Ooh, and look at those buttons. Look at how beautiful is this? Oh my goodness. Look at it. It's so cute. That's the front. And that's the back. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Here's the fabric. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited and happy. Thank you so much, Lindsay. This is absolutely more than I could have hoped for, and I hope you enjoy your painting. Enjoy, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.